Jay's World. Welcome to Jay's World. Welcome to Jay's World.
Your single, That Girl, had a massive radio airplay. Ano yung feeling yung first time mo ever narinig yung kanta mo sa radio?
Siyempre, awkward ako my voice. So, felt it. Proud. Have myself.
Where was it first played? Which station?
I think sa Wave.
Wave 89.1. Diba? Sarap ng feeling na, wow, that's my song!
Nagulat ako.
Nilakasan mo talaga?
Oo, actually, nilakasan.
Ang jolog sa pag-ano ko, control ko, diba? Pamahirap, ganun yung tuner. Kailangan di ba ganun? Okay. Alright. Tungkol, ganun talaga yun. Nilakasan mo. Okay. Tungkol saan yung kantang That Girl?
It's about a girl.
Oh!
So, parang player yung babae.
Okay. So, ano to? Galing to sa puso, ano, JB?
Sa puso.
Ibig sabihin, it really happened to you?
Yeah, it really happened to me. The girl played me. Yeah, basically about her. About girl.
Sample.
Ano yan? Sinabi ni girl na sabi ko sa kanya, she playing tricks on the bar, that girl. She got me wondering why, that girl. Oh, she's so fun, that girl. Damn, girl. Sabi ko.
Talaga, na-hurt ka talaga. Ginawa mo siya ng kanta ha? Siguro feel na feel niya, nakakainis.
Actually, parang nalala.
Kasi yun nga, di ba, public, how do you say it kanina, public announcement of what you feel. Right. You were named as the best new artist of the year sa Wave 89.1's Urban Music Awards. Ano yung feeling when you grabbed this very first award?
It's not good. And the songs keep on going. Always stay hungry. Always stay hungry.
There's always a thirst for more. Hindi pwedeng isa lang. Kailangan isang dosena to. Di ba? May pressure ka ba to come up with better songs or to live up to people's expectations? Kasi syempre, when you already get an award, parang kailangan, ano na to level up na di ba?
Always when you come up with songs, kailangan.
Right. What about doing your music video? Kumusta yung paggawa ng music video? Ilan na ba yung nagawa mong music video?
6.
Wow, okay.
So, it's been a good experience.
Kanino yung concept? It was just given to you or
Iba sa
meron
akin,
kang ano? Okay. Let's talk about yung That Girl video and yung Don't Know You video. How was it like doing it? May actual girl ba?
Yeah.
Sorry, wala kasi kami TV sa bahay. Hindi ko na panood siya. Okay, game.
Super relief kasi super wala kang pagod.
Kung kanina tinanong namin kung sino yung actress na gusto mong makapartner, sa music naman, who do you want to collaborate with? Sino yung gusto mong makasama sa isang concert, sa isang song, gano'n, and why?
Well, I'm working sa pag-album ko. Kasama ko si Pearl. Hopefully, mag-buo ko. Actually, kinausap na sila dalawa, si Sam, si Fred, si Elmo.
So, ikaw din lahat mong co-produce na itong second album?
Yeah, with the help of my musicians. So, yeah. Hopefully, and yeah, possibly.
Okay, so are you gonna have a concert?
No.
Album, a song, okay. So lahat sila? All in one song?
Yeah, no, all in one.
One album.
Different songs.
Alright. Okay, let's talk about your new video, yung Kaibigan Lang.
Yes.
Yan.
Kaibigan Lang.
What's it about?
It's about being friends, basically. Kaibigan Lang.
Parang we're just friends or about friends per se?
Parang we'll be friends pa rin.
Okay. Kapag talaga sa mga babae.
Actually, apparently ako babae. Pero hopefully next album, I'll try to come up with new stuff.
Okay. Tungkol sa DJ naman. Asar, okay. Sa mga Pinoy rap artists, sino yung favorite mo?
Rap artists? Locally or?
Pinoy.
Pinoy, well, honestly.
Glock 9.
Glock 9 si Fancel. din.
Sila lang. Are you friends with them? Well, not with Francis M, with Glock9.
Saka yung isang rapper na underground, si Bruno.
So, best gig or concert so far na napanood mo?
Napanood ko, Bruno Mars.
So, pumunta siya dito, ganda lang.
Super Fest kasi nag-open na ako.
Correct. Wow! Okay, what else do you want to accomplish in this business?
Acting, with films.
Kung alin doon, di ba? Kung sino alin ang mauuna sa dalawa, di ba? Acting! Foundation. Would you like to tell us more about this?
Yeah, Lahing Bayani Foundation is a foundation that I built sa mga anak sundalo. Mga kids na matay na.
Okay, so ikaw mismo yung gumawa ng foundation?
Me, and hapon sa mga. And kasi feeling ko, hindi naman nakaka-relate. Imagine ko yung sarili ko with my dad as a disorder.
Correct.
So this is like my little way of helping kids. So benefit na nakuha ko sa shows ko, binibigay ko sa kanila.
Ang galing naman!
So we try to...
Especially not a lot of soldiers talagang hinana natin. Talagang hindi sila, not all benefits from their yes.
They're underpaid.
Yes, super.
So, sa akin naman, di ba? At least may kaunting tulong ako. Kung hindi man ako nagpinay, at least this is my own little world.
Correct. Di ba? Laki ba yan? Ilan na ang mga beneficiaries? Boy, ang dami na. Nakakatawa, I'm proud of you. Nanay! I'm proud of you lang, alright? Thank you very much, JB.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. And please plug your album, your gigs, kung meron kang sponsors, go. Go ahead.
Yes. Well, please grab a copy. Young JB very high. I don't know where it's going. And maraming salamat for having me here.
Thank you, Dan. It's a pleasure.
Please support the album. Yung kaibigan lang. And as well.
You have Facebook?
Yeah, Facebook, I'm Young JB, and Twitter, Young JB Official.
Young JB Official. Sige, pa-follow ko. Mamaya. Alright, sige.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, JB. Salamat ng maraming. Thank you.
Young J